Good evening, guys. This is Sumaiya. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is a giveaway on reaching 3.5k subscribers. I thank you, all the viewers, all the subscribers, all the people who watch, support my YouTube channel. And if you have been watching my channel and you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. It really helps me, keeps me motivated, as I always host a giveaway on reaching every 500 subscribers. So now we are 3.5k subscribers, so I'm going to host this giveaway. Before starting the giveaway, I want to give you a bit of insight on my YouTube channel. Like, if you go to my YouTube channel and there's this new thing I modified, that is, if you go on the playlist, you have different videos on one playlist, because if you're someone who is a beginner, or if you're someone who is trying to search for a tutorial on a related topic, then you might find it difficult to search the correct video. So that's the reason I have made this playlist. Like, for example, if you go to the facade playlist, you have around some 5 videos here. I'm going to add more videos in the respective playlist, but I will give you a brief idea about this playlist. So now this is the facade. If you view full playlist, you're going to get different videos which are related to facade. Similarly, I have for SketchUp plus Deluxe, there are around 8 videos in this section. View full playlist and you will get all the videos related to the SketchUp, and we are importing into Deluxe. All that videos we are going to find it in one playlist. Okay, now coming to giveaway, this time the giveaway is books. We all try to find some good books to keep us updated to get some good knowledge on lighting design strategies, lux levels, etc. So here I have consolidated 5 books, or you can say booklets, and I really have to work on these books, because if any of the book had a copyright, then I may get a copyright claim. So I searched for the books which, as per the copyright section, there are no copyrights, but that's the reason I can share it to you all. There are many other books online which are really very good. Shortly I will share you maybe only the links to download those books, but not directly. I'm not going to share it, of course, because of the copyright claims. Now here, what are these 7 books? I think these 7 books or PDFs are going to help you if you're a beginner, pro, or you're just interested in exploring this field. So here in this books you can find, like here I have SIPSE light levels, wherein you have details about the lux level requirement for each space, like for offices, for banks, for storage areas, circulation areas, etc. So this is a SIPSE lighting standard. 3 to 4 PDFs on lighting standards, like this is Indian lighting standards. If you're someone who is working for Indian projects, you can refer to this document. This is brief in achieving the required lux levels, etc. You can go through this. There's another PDF with lighting standards. I like this PDF because it also has a section of notes wherein there is some remarks written, like with dimming, without dimming, vertical illuminance, etc. And this is in detail with educational building. Okay, because sometimes while designing any space, we are not finding a specific room in the utilization profile of the Deluxe, and we don't know what is the lux levels and uniformity required. Then you can refer to this PDF. Of course, you have to refer the lighting standards of your country, but in case you don't know the lighting standard, maybe you're working on a project for interview, or maybe it's a freelancing project, then try to cross check the light levels, lux levels, uniformity levels from this PDF too. I liked this detail, especially this one, because here it is also mentioned where I measure the lux levels. Like if it is bed areas, I'm going to measure like work plane height should be at bed level. Next, here I have some other books which are related to basics of lighting, you can get these books easily online too, but I think these books are really good. You have in detail about, if you're a beginner, then it can help you easily understand what is light, what are its behaviors, what is the color of light, and other terminologies views in lighting design. Next, of course, I have even included Zumtable lighting handbook. I think anyone who is starting a career in the lighting design have already gone through this book, or may have found this book online, but still I kept it in a giveaway because I think this book is really nice because it is technically detailed. Next, I found one old book which is in regard to the residential lighting guide. This book is old, but the techniques explained in this book are very helpful when you're designing any residential project. So I think this book is also going to be helpful for you if you want to learn about lighting design. So these were 5 different books and booklets I'm going to include in the giveaway, and the giveaway link will be in the description. Please note that the giveaway will be available to download only for a week. I can't extend it more than a week because I share it in a WeTransfer, and the WeTransfer link expires in a week. Okay, if you have missed my previous giveaway, that is hex codes. Okay, this is an Excel sheet I included in my last giveaway which has around 600 color codes. There's a new feature in the dialog CO wherein you can include the color hex codes in the texture, and you will get the respective color texture. Okay, so I think this would be very beneficial for you while working in the dialogs projects. And if you have missed this Excel sheet, I'm going to include this Excel sheet too in the giveaway, and you can download it. So this is in the giveaway. If you have any queries, please do let me know in the comments. And thank you for supporting my channel. Keep supporting, and I shall come up with more informative videos. So this is it guys in this video. If you like the video, hit a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned to explore more in dialogues with me. Thank you.